If you suspect fatty liver disease, you have opened the right video. In this video, we will talk about why fatty liver disease occurs, what the symptoms are, and some foods that are good for fatty liver disease. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and like the video. Now we can start the video. First of all, if we talk about what fatty liver disease is, this disease, also called hepatic steatosis, occurs when too much fat accumulates in the liver. Being the second largest organ in our body, it is responsible for processing solid and liquid nutrients taken from outside and removing harmful substances from the body. In the liver, excessive accumulation of fat causes inflammation, damaging the liver over time and causing scar tissues to form on it. This is called fatty liver disease. So if you ask why fatty liver disease occurs, I can answer this as follows. First of all, if you are 50 years of age or older, I can say that heavy alcohol consumption will cause fat in your liver. You can try to keep your alcohol consumption in balance or stop consuming alcohol completely. Keep in mind that if you want your liver to stay healthier, you need to keep an eye on your alcohol consumption. Another reason for fatty liver is obesity, that is, a high body mass index. If you weigh more than you should, your liver will become fatty. You can pay attention to your food consumption, especially in people aged 50 and over, as fatty liver can cause very serious problems. For liver health, you should take care to eat a healthy diet and not consume fatty foods. Uncontrolled high sugar levels or diabetes can also cause fatty liver disease. Especially in people aged 50 and over, sugar levels should be at a controlled level. Otherwise, various organ problems may occur. If you have diabetes, you can consult your doctor and follow an appropriate diet and plan. Processed foods and refined sugar consumption can also cause fatty liver. Especially processed, that is, packaged foods contain many substances harmful to health. These substances reaching the liver cause fatty liver over time. Therefore, you should take care to buy and consume healthier foods. As another item, we can add various digestive problems to the causes of fatty liver. If you have any problems in your digestive system, this can have negative consequences for your liver. By going to the doctor regularly, you can take precautions by recognizing such problems from the very beginning. For a healthy liver, you should not miss your doctor's checkups. Lack of physical activity can also cause fatty liver. Sitting or lying down continuously will cause various problems in the body. These disorders, which do not appear much at a young age, will begin to be seen in later ages. You should be careful not to lie down for hours, especially after eating. You should do the necessary exercises daily and pay attention to walking. You can prevent fatty liver by keeping the fat content in your body at the required level. So, if you ask what are the symptoms of fatty liver disease, the first answer to this question is weakness and discomfort in the upper right abdomen. These symptoms are early stage symptoms of the disease. Since fatty liver disease is a disease that progresses quite silently, its symptoms intensify at every stage. However, first of all, a general state of weakness occurs. Discomfort in the upper right abdomen may be one of the symptoms of fatty liver disease. As the level of fat in the liver increases, fatigue gradually worsens. In addition, weight loss is now also observed. Both of these symptoms indicate that cellular damage has occurred in the liver. Jaundice can also be seen as another symptom. Later, the formation of veins on the skin resembling spider legs is also among the symptoms. If you see similar veins forming on your skin, there may be a problem in your liver. Itching that does not go away is another symptom. As your liver becomes fatty, this itching will increase. Fatty liver disease is a condition that can be treated at an early stage with appropriate lifestyle changes. However, not detecting the disease and not starting treatment carries the disease to the next stage. At this stage, the symptoms are much more severe. First of all, if you are someone with advanced fatty liver disease, you will experience loss of appetite. Vomiting and nausea will follow. Therefore, you will experience involuntary weight loss. These symptoms will suddenly increase and continue. Symptoms of susceptibility to bleeding and easy bruising of the skin will also increase. The pain in the right upper abdomen, which was less in the first stage, will now be much more intense. Various sleep problems may also be observed, especially in people aged 50 and over. A persistent itching of the skin will appear. If you are in the advanced stage of fatty liver disease, you will also develop significant edema. At this stage, darkening of urine color is also among the common symptoms. Finally, it is said that personality changes are seen in people with advanced fatty liver disease. If you suspect fatty liver disease and want to avoid this condition as much as possible, you can achieve this by consuming various foods. However, you should remember that you should definitely consult your doctor about these dietary changes. First of all, I can say that legumes are good for fatty liver. You can get a healthy liver by adding legumes to your meals. You can also consume oily fish rich in omega-3. Consuming fish several times a week will be very beneficial for your body. Especially if you are 50 years of age or older, I can say that you should give importance to fish consumption. As another healthy food, you should not underestimate the benefits of nuts. Consuming various nuts such as almonds and walnuts as snacks will help your body get the many vitamins and fats it needs. I would also say that you should consume fruits with high antioxidant content. To prevent fatty liver disease, it will be enough to add these foods to your meals and remove the things that cause fatty liver disease from your lifestyle. It is of great benefit to act in consultation with your doctor. In this video, we talked about what causes fatty liver disease, what are the symptoms and foods that are good for this disease. You can share the video with your friends so that more people can reach it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.